Hey, Brendan Bailey here with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. We're here on beautiful Lake Lewisville in Dallas, Texas. I want to walk you through this 2010 52 Sedan Bridge Sea Ray that we've just taken on as a new listing, and I think you're going to be really impressed. This thing's loaded out, freshwater boat, always been here in freshwater, and we're sitting here on a 97-degree day in Dallas, Texas. I'm on the bridge of this beautiful 52, and it's 80 degrees because of the air conditioning we have up here. So really a beautiful boat. Let's walk through it. We'll try to go as fast as we can. We got a lot to cover. If you look through here behind me, you'll see this beautiful bow area with the sun loungers in the front. Obviously the windlass, the remote spotlight. Nice little area up here, a little dinette area. Great spot to have a glass of wine, watch the sunset. And this client has added a big flat screen TV with direct TV. This boat does have the Sat TV on it as well on each of the TVs. So we'll move back to the helm. You'll notice as I walk through here, you'll see a big subwoofer that's here. There's actually one up here, and there's about 4 or 5 mounted underneath the rear custom seat that's back in the cockpit down in the lower area. So very nicely laid out helm. You'll see that it's got the joystick docking with balanced stern thrusters. This particular boat has less than 300 hours on it, and really a nice layout. AM FM CD player, as you can see, all the volume control knobs for the stereo system that's on the boat. We've got speakers across the hardtop, which you'll see soon. Let's take a walk back here. We'll walk downstairs to the cockpit. Check out this cockpit. What a great place to entertain. This is a massive cockpit for a sedan bridge boat. A lot of sedan bridges have a very small, just a straight little bench seat across the back, not a 52 sedan. This boat has a very large entertainment area. Check out this area here. Very cool grilling station. You've got a freezer drawer, isotherm, with a Kenyan grill in here to be able to serve up your hot dogs and hamburgers or whatever it is you want to grill here. You can either serve them to the water, serve them here, walk them inside the beautiful stainless steel glass door that we'll walk through here in just a minute. This boat does have the extended swim platform with the hydraulic platform. Put your dinghy on here, put your tender on here, jet ski, whatever you want to carry back here. Really a cool feature as well. If you'll step back here, you'll see this enclosed bridge. Isinglass is in very good shape on this boat. Always been kept underneath the covered slip and washed and cleaned. You can see the custom speakers that are firing down, so if you're entertaining in the water, you're going to hang out in the water, you've got a lot of sound there for you as well. Let's step inside. Look at the finish on this door. High gloss stainless steel finish. It's nice because you got glass to the edge, really gives it a classy, clean look. So as we step inside this nice salon, if you'll look at the beautiful woodwork, it's got that high gloss, very rich yachty feel inside. Nice L-shaped sofa here. Nice area to entertain. You got a couple that sit here across from you. And then check out this entertainment center here. Samsung flat screen TV, as well as the Bose surround sound system, direct TV box, Bose surround sound cubes here, and also behind us here, you've got the surround sound speakers too. Shore power panels here in the corner. Check out this dinette. This is an elevated dinette, really a nice area to be sitting. As you're sitting here, you can be watching the TV while you're having some cocktails or playing games or having a nice dinner on the boat. You've got a nice clear view all the way around. As you can see, you've got nice visibility with all these big glass windows. This really kind of started that trend on this particular boat. Isotherm, dual fridge and freezer. Got plenty of room to store all your stuff for a long escape. Stainless steel undermount sink with nice quartz granite countertops as well. Really a cool black kind of marbleized finish. Wood blinds throughout. Let's walk down here. As we walk through, you'll notice here, underneath your galley, we're always looking for storage on boats to store the extra water, the extra drinks, extra gear. Not only do you have a nice area to do that, store a ton of supplies, you've also got a washer and dryer on board as well. Really extends your stay. Don't need to leave early, don't need to stop somewhere to do clothes and laundry. You'll notice here on the starboard side, you've got twin bunks. Each bunk has its own TV as well at the footboard of it. Nice hanging locker inside there. And then you'll notice here, In the mid berth, on the port side, you have a full-size bed with a nice hanging locker in front of it as well. Your day head or guest head, it's got a separate shower, enclosed shower. Beautiful finishes. Look at the floor, the tile floor that's on the boat. This boat's like a custom home inside with all the finishes that they've used. You'll notice as you walk into the V berth of the VIP suite, look at this nice woodwork. It's actually a nice rounded island style bed. You've got plenty of room to walk up each side of it here as well. I'm 6'5", and here I am in the V berth standing straight. I'm not all crouched over, and you can see it's not real dark in here. You've got a lot of light between the hatch and the portholes and the lighting that's in this area as well. So as you step in here, beautiful sconces on that back headboard area, nice for reading at night. You can turn those off there locally as well. And again, look at the finishes on the doors. Everything is very nice, high gloss finish. You'll notice the finishes again in the VIP head. Nice separate shower. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Give us a call on this boat. We want to show you this boat. We know you're going to love it. I've taken some pictures of the bilge area as well, so you can see around the engine compartment. This engine compartment is completely dry and spotless inside, not a drip of oil. Really an impressive bilge. The owner's done a very good job of keeping this boat up. We'd love to talk to you. Give us a call. We're 20 miles away from DFW Airport here in Dallas-Fort Worth, or Love Field. We're about 20 miles as well. Give us a call at 469-293-9095. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.